Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am currently sitting in a corner of my room and I have this big gigantic mess around me because today I am going to be organizing my bookshelf. And first I'm going to take you along for how I got the cubes, which was a very impulsive decision when I saw that it was sale at Target. I'm currently at Target, guys, and I think I'm gonna get this cube shelf situation for my pops and my albums and books. My current bookshelf is just taking up too much space. Why is it heavy? Oh god. I totally didn't struggle. What are you talking about? Fast forward, that was like months ago, and I got rid of my big bookshelf from IKEA because honestly it was taking up too much space in my room. Thanks to my lovely friend who helped me set up this cube thing. If you saw those clips, I just felt like being not useful. So these are my cubes. I wanted to have it like this so I can store stuff on the top, but I'm thinking I want it like I'm completely throwing out doing it by group because then it would be super ugly because nothing's cohesive. Okay, I thought to myself, oh my god, I don't have any, like all my albums aren't like, they don't really match my room, which is a kind of like pink, white, and like purple and orange and that kind of thing, like those. I just said that and that just sparked, like I have orange albums. Okay, I was gonna do pink and black because I don't really have pink and white. Actually, I have pink and white and black. I'm liking the looks of this. We'll do this in the first cube. So we have NCT Dream Beatbox, right? And we're only looking at the spine because that's what you can see. And then I'm thinking Maxident, pink and black. Then a black back, NCT 127, because it's white and black. Hold on, I could do a pink spine. I really could just do a pink spine. Pink, white, and black. Okay, and then I do No Easy because I need to do some type of purple. Some type of purple needs to be there. I was gonna do Love Dive, but I think I have like more hollow things, and I would either want Love Dive to be displayed or it needs to go perfectly because it can't be wasted because it's one of my favorite albums. To do this. Actually, do I have any blue albums? So we're gonna do that for now. Then Digipacks. We'll use Jamin's because it's kind of purple, but we're not gonna see it. Then I'm gonna do Mark's Digipack at the bottom because it's black. We got white, and then I have his pink one, and I thought that would have been cute, like this, or to show because I actually really like this one. What are we thinking? And then maybe like, I don't know, this to add to the pink because like there's a blue. It's kind of matching this blue on the front and that blue up there. I feel like that's cute for now, and I think I want to add more like cute decorative pieces. Maybe I'll come back to that and like find things to put like right there. And then next for this one, I think I'm gonna do an orange because I think pink, like then doing orange next would be cute. Okay, no, we're moving this to another cube because I think that this one needs to also be pretty and artistic looking and not just a collection. Maybe I can try this blue theme. I don't have a blue theme. Maybe I can do blue and green. How are you feeling about blue and green? Oh, I kind of like that. Luckily for everyone, there are green albums that I have, or like kind of green. So I just throw yellow in there. This is somehow turned into just color schemes now. Perfect. Thank you, sticker. Please cooperate with me. And do I also want to do it? I can do it this way too. Plant. I think I like plant because of the white. The yellow. I don't know if I did it. Okay, I think that's so cute. I love the colors actually. I'm not a green and blue kind of girl, but I actually really like this. Green, blue, yellow. So I put my NCT Dream albums, I put my 127 albums, Super One, Ordinary, the Enhypen, their Japanese album. And then that digipack because it's super cute. Honestly, would Jaemin's be better? Hold up. I mean, I have Jaemin's, which is very much blue, yellow. Oh, I think that's so cohesive. I'm literally joking. You're joking. This is better. Okay. Fine. I love this cover. It's so cute. Okay, I'm so happy with this. So content. I feel like I'm getting somewhere. I feel like I'm really getting somewhere. I honestly want to fix that. Okay, we're gonna do these cubes next, and I'm gonna do my orange little theme. My Super M albums are really coming in handy. Oh, I could do the same thing. Oh, they could have been twinning. Okay, we'll do. Oh my god, we'll do diagonal twin. That's so fun, because this could be that. And then, I don't know, I could throw in some green. Just because this matches, I don't know, I'm kind of living. I'm kind of really liking that. And then I have these orange albums. The thing is, I don't know how far back I want to go. In color, look at that orange is not close to that one. And I think I don't like this. This one is just the least of the same. Oh, it's so cute in orange. But I have so many more albums that are, I have all of these that are orange that I forget I can just put more in the back. Okay, what about this orange? I think I like that better. Okay, now for this one, because I really like how colorful everything is, I don't want to get it all sad. So I think I'm gonna try to do black and pink. Black, pink. I don't have that many black and pink things. Oh my goodness. I've done that so many times where Ordinary is just down. I don't know. What if I do this? Literally, Chandler, I'm gonna lose it. Don't fall on me, dude. I'm already hating this. I feel like I had something good going. Why don't I have more pink things? Lino has magenta hair and purple and pink. I'm not mad at this. I want to add maybe a photo card with an acrylic stand. Do I have a very pinky photo card? Okay. So now for these, I'm thinking of, since I don't have that many albums left, I do have these. They say Stray Kids on it. And I have two. And I thought to do this. And I don't know, I'm pretty sure many people have done this before, but I don't know why I thought I was genius for this. I was like, oh, that's genius. So then, continuing on with the white and red, I'm gonna put my Enhypen Dimension Answer album, then this one, I think. I just kind of don't like the gray, but it's fine. Continuing on with white, because I'm going to display my light stick right here. Since Stray Kids is my old group, I feel like this is perfect. The colors are matching. Now for this, I've decided that I'm not gonna store these because, so all of my really small albums I'm gonna put back here and they're not gonna be on display. I have my Enhypen box and I love that it's hollow. So we're gonna go with that. Hollow, and then this is also hollow and it's black and white. So I'm thinking, honestly, I can take this from here and have my little hollow thing going. So maybe I can do that. Maybe we'll do a gradient. White to black. No, I'm just kidding, because literally I'm gonna... Maybe I'll put the Border Carnival thing, because everything about this is red, and then there's this reflect. What? Ordinary. We're having Christmas. This is a Christmas theme. And Enhypen light stick box. This isn't giving, but we're gonna have to move on. I've done some rethinking about this shelf, Okay, I like it, but I don't think this double one, are you okay? I don't like the repeat. Oh, since there's purple here, and this No Easy album on the top is also purple. Oh my god, I need you to fit. I need you to fit and make sense. I think, and it's black. I feel like it makes sense. Like the purple in his hair kind of matches the Love Dive color. I don't know, it makes sense. And I'm thinking more pink for the top. It matches Mark's beanie because it's pink and black. Oh no, this is looking bad. This is looking bad. Leave me alone. I feel like it was looking good and I touched it. I think I like this better. And then I have an acrylic stand because look at this most perfect PC for this box because I said I wanted pink and black vibes. And look at this, pink and black, and it's Jamin, and it's a photo card from No Other Glitch Mode. Guys, glitch mode honestly is one of my favorite concepts. Everything about it, perfect. Okay, I like this. Back to this, now that I changed it, I was thinking of putting Mr. Bimo right there. The eye in glitch mode is the same color as Bimo, and I feel like it's more fun. I feel like I'm done. Okay, what I did with my top, I wanted to just do it really basic and just simple. So first I have my jewelry stand with all of my jewelry. I have this heart-shaped glassware where I just put all my crystals in there. I just have these glasses, 2 books, they're purple and white and pink and like go with my theme. And they match this Jasmine Funko Pop, which I also just like love the packaging, and I love Princess Jasmine. Mr. Sir Zhaojin from Wavy. I'm a bad kind of player. Jasmine, so it's somehow K-pop related. Then I have this purple mug and it's like with hearts around it, IKEA plant, make it look more alive. And then I add another acrylic stand and I'm gonna put a PC in here and I need to think what PC should I do. Who hasn't gotten any recognition out of all my faves? That's the real question. Okay, I'm gonna put a PCB back. I feel like because I didn't get to put 17 anywhere really, I'm gonna put Wanu. Look at Wanu with teddy bears. Oh my god. And I feel like the color scheme just matches. Wanu is secured. He's here and I feel like it matches. Everything's really cute. Okay, now time for my overview.